Hey guys, welcome to another video on Lollipop. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw into your local bank account. Specifically, I'm going to do a video on how you're going to withdraw into your Naira local account. I've been receiving so many messages, so many people have been confused on how to withdraw their points into their local bank account. Some are unable to open ePay, and here I'm going to show you the practical way of how you are going to withdraw into your Naira account. And it takes 2 to 5 days before the money gets into your account. You can receive it after 24 hours, it's possible. You can receive it after 48 hours, but max is 5 days for benefit of doubt, so that you don't go about or you don't get confused when, or you don't start asking questions, or you are now afraid that your money has japa. Your money did not lost. There's a process. So let me show you how you are going to withdraw. When you log into your Lollipop account, this is the dashboard you are going to see. Then you go to the human icon there. This is the interface you are going to see. Then you click on your T point. You click on your T point. When you click on your T point, it's going to take you to your T point dashboard. So this is the T point dashboard. You can see my available balance is 485,016 T points, which is equivalent to $48.5. Now I'm going to show you how you are going to withdraw. You go to cash out. When you go to cash out, you type the amount you want to withdraw. Now I'm going to type 100,000 points. I want to withdraw 100,000 points into my Naira account. I click on withdraw and I put the currency type. You can see that there are different currency types. Now I'm going to go to Naira. Before now, you could not withdraw with Naira, but now they've updated the app and you can withdraw with Naira. Lest I forget, Lollipop app is now on iPhone. So if you want to, I know initially Lollipop was only available for Android users. Now it is available for for iPhone users. Is that not interesting? iPhone users, Android users can now enjoy Lollipop live streaming app. Let's continue. So you click on the currency type. I'm going to click on Nigerian Naira. Then the payment method is bank. Another thing is, before I continue, if you are yet to if you are yet to sign up to my Lollipop live streaming app, my link is in the description box. If you want to join an agency, it's possible. You can be an agent yourself. You can be an agency. So all the details are in my description box. Let's continue. So you click, yes, we've gotten the currency type, we've gotten the payment method. Now let's fill in all this information. I'm going to fill in my account information, the name in my bank account. You enter your bank account number, then you go to select the bank code, that is the name of the bank. So I'm going to select GT and confirm. You enter your phone number for them to contact you in case of any issue. Then you enter your email. So after filling all the information, because I changed my account number, I think I want to make use of CUDA and this information, so I click on withdraw. So you are expected to get 13,768 Naira if you are withdrawing $100. if you are withdrawing 100 T point, which is $10. So I'm going to click withdraw. See, application has been sent successfully. So we'll wait for 2 to 3 days to receive our money. If you have any other question concerning this Lollipop app, let me know in the comment section. If this was helpful for you, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to make other videos on how to withdraw with other local currency apart from Nigerian naira, let me know in the comment section. I am going to make videos of them. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.